A guide you to make a poll on YouTube. For that, firstly, let's go to the YouTube like this, and you can tap on your profile like this, and from there, you could see now if you need to make a poll, you need to tap on this plus icon over there, and from there, you can scroll all the way to find the post like this, and from there, in the post, you could see over the left side beside that gallery icon, you could see the three lines, which is the poll, and from there, you can ask your community whatever the question. So I'm asking, how's your summer? Great, boring. And from there, now you can add a picture for that, or otherwise you can ask anything, or otherwise you can add option. Now you can schedule that, you can tap for the expiry for that, or otherwise you can make the visibility as private. You can change all the details here, and you can tap on the done like this. Now let's say if you tap on the post like this, you could see that will be posted, and that is creating. Now you can tap on view for that, and it will take you to your YouTube channel here for that. Now here you could see the poll has been created, and if anybody voted for that, or otherwise if anybody selected these reasons here, you could see here. This is how you make a poll on YouTube. Thank you.